Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, here today to show you this pre-owned. It's a Premier 2017 230 Solaris. The Solaris in this model does have the Yamaha, and this is a 115 horsepower Yamaha with the fun little bar at the back, so if you want to do tubing or skiing or anything like that. We got some nice seating wrapping around in here. If you come on into the boat, we do have the dual captain's chairs. So the captain's chair on this side, and then this is actually a raised helm, so it has a little bit more height for the driver, which is really nice. It does have the Garmin, so you can get all your information in there. Got a stereo. And in the bow of the boat, we got some more seating up here with a nice table. Got the nice flooring, easy to clean. And then there is a changing station underneath this seat. So this boat is here in our Rogers location if you'd like to come on down. And as always, click the like button and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out daily.